Good evening, Mystery Baker here. Hope you're all doing well. It's late, I know, but I can't just leave it. I have to come in and show you. So I've been making my Father Christmas cupcake toppers, a tutorial of which is uploaded if you want to check it out, and my snowman cupcake toppers. Also, I bought these little gingerbread. They're rice paper gingerbread men, and I put them on a white fondant and stuck them down, and they're quite effective. But anyway, that's not what I really wanted to show you. I want to show you a little preview of my next tutorial, and it's how to make a fondant cupcake topper penguin. And it's a Christmas one too, so I'll just move these out of the way. Bye, Mr. Christmas. And let's bring her in. Okay, you ready? Da 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 da. Voila. Isn't she adorable? She is adorable. And I've made it quite simple, perfect for the beginner to give it a go. And they're so effective, they'll look lovely on your Christmas cupcakes. Hopefully I'll get the video, full tutorial of how I made this uploaded by tomorrow night. Fingers crossed. Now, someone's asked me, because I'm making Christmas cupcakes for a charity event, if I would do a tutorial on showing you how to make cupcakes. I do have a lot of cupcakes to do, by the way, but what I've decided to do, if I have time, I will show you how to make a batch of 12 cupcakes. I'm not promising anything because I'll be rushed, but I will try. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see, how I make. My recipe will fill 12 cupcake cases, so it's the perfect recipe for the perfect amount of cupcakes, because sometimes you make cupcake mixture and you either have too little of a mixture or you have too much, whereas my recipe makes perfectly 12 cupcakes. So hope you like my little penguin. She's adorable, isn't she? And I will speak to you soon. Bye.